Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will explain the recent invitation round results for 189 Australian PR visa and other 491 visa updates. Disclaimer, I have collected the following information from various sources including my friends, social media and official website. So please do follow the official website for recent and accurate information. First, we will see the 25th May invitation round results for 189 visa. Okay. Usually we will have invitation round on 10th of each month. But due to the COVID-19 situation, this month, that is May month invitation round happened on 25th May. And it looks like only those who nominated as being in Australia were eligible for this round. Example, if you are staying outside of Australia and if you have applied, you may not get the invitation even though you had the required EOI points because they sent invitation only for people those who are staying currently in Australia, and this might continue for some more months due to the prevailing situation. And in this round, nurses were invited till 11th of December 2019 with 85 points, and all 90 pointers got the invite. That is, those who have applied till 10th of May 2020 with 90 points got the invite for 189 visa. Next, other medical professionals. Those who have applied till 2nd of April 2019 with 85 points got the invite, and all 90 pointers got the invite during May invitation round. Now we will see the invitation for 491, that is family sponsored visa. We have different categories under 491 visa, but this applies only to family sponsored visa. In this category also, only nurses occupation got the invitation, that is those who have applied till 6th of April 2020 with 80 points got the invitation, and all 85 plus pointers, that is those who have applied till 10th of May 2020 with 85 or more points got the invitation during May round. Now we will see the 10th June invitation round results for 189 visa. And it seems that some more occupations have come under health professionals such as food technologists and biomedical engineers. All medical professionals, those who have applied till 29th of January 2020 with 85 points got the invite during June round, and all 90 plus pointers got the invitation during the June invitation round results for 189 visa. Except medical professionals, no one else got the invite during this round, and this invitation round also applies to the people those who are currently staying in Australia. If you are staying in Australia with 90 or 95 points, you may not got the invitation because you are currently not staying in Australia. Next, 10th June round for 491 family sponsored visa. Here many invitations were sent for biomedical engineers, that is those who have applied till 16th November 2019 with 95 points got the invite during June round, and all other 100 plus pointers got the invite during this round. No other occupation got the invitation during this round. This message clearly says that due to the current prevailing COVID-19 situation, the invitation round may not happen as usual. They will send invitations for people, those who are currently staying in Australia. Now we will see the New South Wales 499 visa options that is going to open from 15th June 2020, and this will be open until 5 p.m. 23rd June 2020. That is, they will accept nominations only for 8 days, that is around 1 week. And all your applications will be assessed by the end of fiscal year, that is 30th June 2020. First, we will see who can apply for this option. Only candidates who meet all the requirements below will be able to submit an application. If you are not meeting any of the condition that is below condition, you should not apply, because the fee whichever you are paying to New South Wales will not be refundable under any circumstances. So you have to meet all these requirements to apply for this nomination, and if you are applying without any of the qualification, your application will be rejected and you may not get the refund. First, your occupation should be on the New South Wales Stream 1 Regional Skilled Occupation List. As you all know, 491 applies to specific regions. If you are getting an invitation for a specific region, you have to stay and work in that region alone. You should not go outside of that region to apply for any job openings. Second, you should have been living in a designated regional area, that is particular area for which you are applying, for at least last 12 months, and have been working in a designated regional area for at least last 12 months, and have been working in your nominated occupation or closely related occupation for at least last 12 months. Basically, you have to meet all these 4 conditions in addition to the Department of Home Affairs requirements to apply for this 499 New South Wales visa. Then how to apply? Currently, there is no system to apply for this nomination. The application will be accepted and the details will be published on New South Wales website on Monday 15th June 2020, and your application should have complete details. Please verify all your details and checklist before applying for this application, and you may not be able to contact New South Wales during this period, that is Monday 15th June to Tuesday 30th June 2020. You can just drop a mail to this website ID, but there is no guarantee you will get a reply within this time frame. So please be very careful while submitting this application. So please do share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will post regular updates Australian immigration and PTE academic. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.